Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be filming a Riverdale makeup look, and today I'm going to be doing Cheryl Blossom. If you've never watched Riverdale before, it is like a teenager kind of drama series on Netflix, and as you can tell by the hair, like I said, I'm going to be doing Cheryl Blossom. So the first thing I want to say is where I got this shirt from. I got it from Urban Outfitters, and it looks exactly like the River Vixen top that they wear in the cheerleading, so I thought I'd put it on. And my hair is already kind of gingery like Cheryl's. The actor who plays her is amazing, Madeleine Petsch, and I actually dyed my hair because of her. So let's just get on. So the first thing I'm going to use is this Mario Badescu face spray. This I got from also Urban Outfitters. It's just going to give me a very nice dewy soft skin to start the makeup off with. And I'm going to use this Rimmel True Match Foundation, or Match Perfection, because it's a very nice, just light coverage. Because my skin's already luckily very good, I'm just going to use this as a light foundation. Now I'm going to use this Revolution Baked Highlighter, and it's going to give me very nice, glowy skin like Cheryl has. And this makes a really big difference in this makeup look. This is about £3 I think from Superdrug, and it's a really great cheap highlighter. I'm now just filling in my eyebrows. I'm not going to do anything specific, I'm just going to fill them in as I usually would. I'm now using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to use the orangey brown neutral shades in the crease, and then I'm going to use a shimmery brown shade all over the eye. I'm just curling my eyelashes because Cheryl has gorgeous eyelashes, and unfortunately I don't really have any fake ones to use, so I'm just going to curl my natural eyelashes and then apply some Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm now going to use this Urban Decay eyeshadow in Polyester Bride, and I'm going to put this all over the eyelid, on top of the brown and the orange that we already put there. This is just going to open up my eyes a little bit more and make it more shimmery as Cheryl would have in Riverdale. For Cheryl's signature red lips, I'm going to use this matte MUA red lipstick. It's the most gorgeous shade of red, and now I'm going to, over the top of it, put the NYX Butter Gloss lipstick gloss thing over the top, and that's just going to add the shine that Cheryl would have. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. There is more Riverdale videos coming on the way. Please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I hope I did well. See you all in the next video. Bye!